Imagine you've just finished a long day, and you're finally home. You open your Grab app to check your rewards, and you see a healthy balance in your GrabPay wallet. You're excited to spend it, but you're not sure how. Ever wondered, how can I turn this digital cash into cold, hard cash without any fees? GrabPay is a convenient digital wallet that lets you pay for rides, food deliveries, and more. But sometimes, you just want to withdraw the money and use it for other things. In this video, we'll show you how to cash in your GrabPay for free. Method 1. GrabPay Cash In. The easiest way to cash in your GrabPay is to use the GrabPay Cash In feature. Here's how. Open the Grab app. Tap on My Wallet. Select Cash In. Choose your preferred cash-in method. You can choose to cash in at a GrabPay cash-in partner, such as 7-Eleven or SM Malls. Simply follow the instructions on the screen. Method 2. GrabPay MasterCard. If you have a GrabPay MasterCard, you can withdraw cash from any ATM that accepts MasterCard. However, there may be fees associated with ATM withdrawals. Find an ATM that accepts MasterCard. Insert your GrabPay MasterCard. Enter your PIN. Select Cash Withdrawal. Method 3. GrabPay Online. You can also cash in your GrabPay online through partner platforms. These platforms may offer different cash-in options, such as bank transfers or e-wallets. Find a GrabPay partner platform. Sign up or log into the platform. Link your GrabPay account. Choose your preferred cash-in method. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips to help you cash in your GrabPay efficiently. Check for fees. Some cash-in methods may have fees associated with them. Make sure to check the terms and conditions before proceeding. Choose a convenient location. If you're cashing in at a GrabPay cash-in partner, choose a location that's convenient for you. Consider online cash-in. Online cash-in can be a good option if you prefer to do everything from the comfort of your home. So, there you have it. These are the different ways to cash in your GrabPay for free. By following these steps, you can easily convert your digital money into physical cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.